our channel, and today is very special, very exciting because we are finally doing Korean barbecue takeout. The craving is real. We've done like the bento box takeout before, like you guys seen, but this is like raw meat, guys. We're so excited. We have a pound, right? A pound of each. A pound of brisket, a pound of beef bulgogi, which you can't see on camera, and then a pound of pork belly. So yeah. So my sister's off camera. She's gonna grill it. Yeah. Ooh. Do you guys hear that? Wow, that's the brisket. So good. Okay, well while she's doing that,
you can season the meat.
Oh, what meat? The pork belly? Oh, and so what we're gonna be doing is we have some of our own salt and pepper seasoning, and we're just gonna season the pork belly. Should I wait until you flip it over?
Yeah.
So we have some Korean barbecue at home, y'all. Okay, so we have some side dishes. Again, this is like the salt and pepper seasoning that we're gonna. This is like homemade, like mom made it, and then it came with like three like tubs of salad, and we just dumped it in here. And of course, instead of using their dressing, we're gonna use our favorite one, which you guys know already. And then it comes with the dipping soy sauce, their soy sauce, and then we ordered extra pickled cucumbers because these are my favorite. And then that's it. And then it comes with this sauce, but I don't know what it is.
It's sesame oil with salt and pepper.
Sesame oil with salt and pepper. Ooh.
Okay, now mix the salad.
Okay, I'm gonna mix the salad. Ooh. Oh, it's brand new. Ooh, I'm excited. We haven't even put the beef bulgogi on it yet, guys. You guys, during this time, Black Friday is coming up. You definitely invest in a portable grill. For moments like this. It was actually pretty cheap. It was like what? We got like a pound, like we said, like we got a pound of each type of meat, and we got 3 meats, so 3 different types of meat. And in total, it was $25.
With the salad.
With the salad, with the sauces. Oh, this was extra, but worth it. Ooh. Okay, I'm really struggling. I'm having to like open this. So we got it from our local. Well, I don't know if you guys heard of this Korean barbecue brand, but it's called Red Castle. And that's where we got it from. It's really good. Support your local businesses, guys. Do takeout if you guys are not comfortable with patio dining. So yeah, that chicken is so good. Ang sarap to. Yeah. Oh my god, it smells amazing. I have some extra chopstick. And guys, the extra meat, if this is too much for you guys just cook it up and just have it for the next day. For lunch, which for instance, that's what we're gonna do. Okay. So we've cooked a little bit more of our meat, and so right now I'm gonna take some of this salt and pepper seasoning that we have, and I'm just gonna season the pork belly, because it tends to be it's really good, but it tends to be a little plain because we got the plain one. We didn't get the seasoned one. We didn't get like the garlic pork belly, or I don't think it was actually offered, but it's fine. It's cool. I'm actually gonna season some of this brisket as well, because it tends to get a little plain as well. But yeah, once the pork belly is flipped over, we'll season it again. But look at the grill marks, guys. It's so good. Oh, did we bring scissors? Oh my god. So my sister's off camera, but she's also eating with us. But she's eating at her own pace. So again, still recovering over the oral surgery that she had. But you know, she's not gonna sit out on this one. Usually on the other videos, she was like, no, you just record, you know, and I'll eat later. But no, this one she had to join.
You can some salad, please.
Yeah. And guys, when you buy like this, like it's you know, it's so fun when you share. You can share it with your family, you know. Or if not, if you're a big eater, eat by yourself. All this for yourself. For like $25, it's really good. I lost my train of thought because I was looking at the meat sizzling and I was like, smells hot. That's some sexy stuff right here, right? Oh. And guys, if you've made it this far in the video, please comment, like, and subscribe. Let us know. Have you guys done Korean barbecue at home? Or you guys are just gonna sit out and wait until everything's open again? This is actually incredibly cheap. Like, all the meat is under, you get all this for under $30. So like the meat itself is, per pound, is less than $10 each. It's really, really affordable. I've been forgetting to eat my pickles, my pickled cucumber. And my rice. Holy cow.
And I'm gonna start cutting the pork belly so that it can cook.
Cook a little faster?
Yeah, so it can cook a little faster.
Ooh.
Chua kìa.
Ngon hả?
Cay cay rồi giòn. Nó bán mà tính tiền mày hay nó cho mày?
Chắc nó tính còn.
Chắc nó tính là cũng 2 đồng.
Đúng được. Mua cũng vậy rồi. That is so refreshing. Oh my god. That is so, this cucumber side dish, pickled kimchi cucumber, is so refreshing with the meat because it's cold. I kept it refrigerated. And the meat is hot, and it's, the meat is hot, and the cucumber is cold, and it has a little spice from the peppers. Oh, it's so good. From the spices, it's so good. Oh my gosh. So make sure we season this. And guys, we're saving the bulgogi for last just because, again, we're cooking indoors, and the bulgogi tends, you know, because it has the sauce, the sugar, it's gonna get our grill all sticky.
Add in the second more pork belly.
It's so good. It's insane. Guys, this is so fun. Especially when you have your own personal chef. But no, seriously, this is so fun. This is such a cheap, family, quick, well, I wouldn't say quick, but it's a good experience, you know? going out and having Korean barbecue was an experience itself, but having it at home is equally just as fun and good, you know? Invite friends over, it's fun. It'd be like a good, like, dinner night in.
Ngon không? Nó vừa làm nữa. Con gọi ngon á. Bỏ thêm miếng muối tiêu nữa kìa.
Rồi nào? Ooh. See that guy?
Nó lấy dầu vào. Chứ nó không có lấy nó cắt được vào.
Oh my goodness, guys. I don't know if you guys can see that.
Yes.
This is like some crispy stuff. Oh my gosh. Guys, it's so good, and we are seriously cooking up some meat up in here, because to the point where our fire alarm kind of went off. Oh, that is crispy. Look at that. Look at this. Ooh, that was good. That's a good shot. Oh, that's crispy. Holy cow. I already know, like, the next weekend I'm gonna invite some of my girlfriends over and we're gonna do this. Like, this is fun. This is cute. I was like, you should put it over here so they put it over here so they see it. Here.
This is the last round of the beef brisket.
Do you want me to say it or you will say it?
I already said it.
I don't know if they can hear you.
That's fine. It's fine after the camera.
Guys, let us know what meat you guys usually like to order at Korean barbecue, because ours are these three right here that we ordered. It's the brisket, the classic, regular pork belly, not flavored, and then the beef bulgogi. Ooh, girl, you want this? Seasoning time.
Always gotta season your meat.
Always season your meat, guys. Wait, let me answer. Yeah. Guys, when you go out and eat Korean barbecue, wear your oldest, most raggedy clothes that you don't mind, you know, stinking up, because, well, it's not stinking up, actually, it's, because you will leave smelling like the restaurant, like the meat that you cooked. Ooh, look at that juice. Look at that. Look at that juice. Look at that. She does that. Thấy chưa, đó thì còn muối này ha. If you guys could smell this, is, oh my gosh. Nó chín rồi. Guys, I don't know what soy sauce this is, but it's not regular, like, I can't really show you guys, but it's not regular soy sauce. It's like, it's kind of vinegary, but it's really good. Ooh, okay, she's gonna start, because we no longer have pork belly and beef brisket. My sister's gonna put in the beef bulgogi. You want salad?
Smells so good.
Whoa. Guys, when you guys are eating pork belly, you have to eat it crispy. Look at that. You have to eat it crispy. Because or else it's like all flimsy and it's like, I don't even think it's fully cooked. When you go to like Korean restaurants, they give us a lot of side dishes. Well, they didn't give us a lot of side dishes today just because I feel like we ordered it a little late, but it's fine. But you're so busy eating like the different side dishes that you're not even really eating rice. So when you do all you can eat, you get the most of your money because you're not getting full fast off of the rice. And you know us Asians, when we go eat all you can eat, we're trying to run that business down to the ground. So if you're going to Korean barbecue and you can only make it to the second round, why bother go? Eat until you can't zip up your pants anymore. Khách này nha. I'm eating the very last beef brisket. So good. Ooh, so hot. Actually, guys, let us know if you guys actually have gone out to eat Korean barbecue and do the patio like dining, and let us know, like, is that, do they let you cook on a grill or do they grill it already for you? Because I've actually done that, and they cooked it for us because they're not allowed to have open flames, I guess, like this just yet. And to be honest, when they cook it for you, it's not as good just because it comes out already on a hot plate, and because the meat and because the hot plate doesn't have like openings like this, the fat doesn't drip, so it was just really greasy. But that's my personal experience with dining out during COVID. Well, not during COVID, but like, yes, during COVID. During this time, it wasn't the best, you know, but so that's why let us know if you've done it, or if it's actually allowed, like if they actually use like grills again. Okay, my sister's gonna finally try some of the beef bulgogi, and she will let us know what she thinks.
It's really good.
Right?
It's more moist compared to the one that we did to pick out.
Yeah.
Because it's hot right off the grill. So it's more tastier. So good. Pork belly is so crispy.
Yeah. The longer you guys leave it on, like we leave it on the thing, the grill, it's more the crispier. It's so good. So good. And there you have it, guys. I'm gonna do a closing right now just because the camera's gonna die, but this was what we had today, and it was totally worth it. Definitely a cheap, affordable family meal under 30 bucks, and you can get 3 different types of meat for like 3 pounds of different meat. And it comes with, again guys, it comes with salad, the sauces that you'll need. Definitely worth it. Yeah, so I definitely enjoyed it. It was fun. I enjoyed myself eating while my mom and my sister cooked. But if you guys like this video, please let us know by liking, commenting, and subscribing to us if you haven't already done so. But yeah, bye!